Hi, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and what you're looking at is the Syma X5HW FPV 2.4 Ghz 4-channel RC Headless Quadcopter with hover function, and it has an HD Wi-Fi camera. I do need to tell you, I did receive this item for free or at a reduced price in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own, and we're going to show you a little bit of footage in flight. Okay, so we have this started up, and we are in flight.
He's gonna blow it away.
Yep.
He ain't gonna come to me. Trying, giving it all the power it's got.
Okay, yeah, we have a lot of wind problem here, so we're probably not going to be able to fly very long. But as you can see, she flies pretty good. This is fun trying to keep up with that. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, according to the video footage that we recorded, we ended up with slightly over 8 minutes of flight time. Now, I did cut the endings off because both times we had kind of a crash landing, just learning to bring it down. It wasn't bad and it wasn't a heavy crash. The first time we just brought it down, and where it landed wasn't a real good spot. The second time we actually lost power as we were bringing it down, so it did kind of land upside down. But as you can see, the drone is not hurt. It's still in good shape. I have not had to change out the blades or anything like that. It does come with an extra set of blades, by the way. Now, the drone itself, of course, comes with the battery inside and, like I said, the Wi-Fi camera. I find the battery compartment a little bit hard to get open, so I usually have to have somebody help me with that. You just press it down. There it goes. Okay, so it must be getting easier as I'm working with it. It does come with a battery, like I said, a rechargeable. Let me get this out of here and I will show it to you. So this is how it connects, and I'm going to disconnect this battery now so that I can put it on the charger. So it takes about 130 minutes, so a little over 2 hours to fully charge the battery. It has a red flashing light that will start up when you plug it in, and when that red light goes out, you know your battery's charged and you can unplug it. Now, the remote, the batteries go in right back here. There's a screw up here that you unscrew, and this takes AA batteries, and those do not come with it. I suggest rechargeable batteries because this is an electronic item, and otherwise you are going to be spending a lot of money replacing batteries. The other thing that is a little bit different about this drone, most drones, after you start them and you go up and down like that, they end up in this position. This one, both sides always stays in the center. So you need to know that. But like I said, you do have to be connected to the Wi-Fi in order for the controller to work. The only downside of this is it is a little lightweight, which I will cover that a little bit more at the end of the video. But otherwise, it flies really well. It's really easy to control. It's really awesome. I love being able to see the video on my phone, although we found that we couldn't really watch the video on the phone while we were flying because we needed to keep our eye on the drone up in the air. So we played the video back afterwards. And my suggestion would be, until you get really good at this, to just run the video, because you can always snap a picture from a video. And that way you don't miss anything. But absolutely great drone. I really like it, and we're going to have a lot of fun with this. Okay, so we was flying this in about 8 to 10 mile an hour wind. We did have a few gusts, and it was pretty lightweight. We think that this would definitely be better to fly indoors or on a very calm day outdoors, because the wind definitely wants to carry it away, as lightweight as it is. Thanks for watching, and have a great night.